Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making delicious French toast and it's so simple, just takes seconds to do. I have here 3 eggs and I'm going to beat it up using a whisk or a fork or anything. And then I have here half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, mix it up again, and pour in 3/4 cups of heavy cream. Now you can use any kind of milk, almond milk, half and half, or just regular milk, but I choose to use heavy cream. It makes it thicker and a lot tastier. Okay. Now, I have here 2 kinds of bread. The Texas toast, which is really thick, and some people like that, really good. And then I have here some Hawaiian sweet bread. But you can use any kind of bread. You can use sourdough bread, you can use French bread, challah bread, even croissants. So whatever your choice, use it. Okay, now you have to kind of soak it a little bit. And I'm going to turn my stove on. Now I'm going to dip it into the batter. Okay, dip it in and let it soak a few seconds. Okay, now I'm going to do another. Put it on the plate for now. And let it sit a few seconds in there to soak up all that moisture. Now I'm going to melt some butter in it. And I have it on kind of low because it'll tend to burn. And I don't want that to happen. Now I'm putting the toast in and they'll all fit in here nicely. It's a big pan. I'm showing you how you can eat this. So first one, we're going to just sprinkle some powdered sugar all over. Next, some blueberries. You can use any kind of berries. Next, strawberries, beautiful strawberries. So sweet. And I have here my homemade lilikoi syrup. Very good. Just drizzle some of this luscious syrup. You can eat these French toasts with different kinds of syrup. Maple syrup, just pancake syrup, but I choose my own homemade lilikoi syrup. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also smash that like button. So mahalo for watching and see you on the next video.